Okay, Course 2 people, this is going to be Lesson 72, Implied Ratios. Not difficult if you understood ratios before. Let me just show you what I mean. All right, so implied ratios. Here we go, Course 2, Lesson 72. Zoom in on there. Come on. There you go. Implied ratios. So here we go. If 12 math books weigh 40 pounds, how much would 30 math books weigh? Well, we're just going to think ratio. If 12 weigh 40, 30 would weigh what? But instead of labeling it ratio and actual count, we're going to write case 1 and case 2. So in case 1, we know that 12 books weighs 40 pounds. Case 2, we're asking, well, what would 30 books weigh? So I have my ratio all set up, right? So I can have, where did I write that? Here we go. So it would be 12x equals, what's 40 times 30? 1200. So 12x equals 1200. Divide that by 12, x equals 100. So 30 books would weigh 100 what? Oh, shame on me, I did not label that. 100 pounds. And you can use LBS for your abbreviation, 100 pounds. Okay? Take a look at the screen a minute. Yep. Can you see it? Remember that. Good job. All right, I'm going to show you some more examples. If 5 pencils cost $1.20, how much would 12 pencils cost? All right, we're going to set up our ratio box, case 1 and case 2. 5 costs $1.20, or 12 would cost how much? Cross multiply, so we get 5x equals 14.4. Just think of that as 1440 because we're talking money. Divide 1440 by 5, you get $2.88. So 12 pencils would cost $2.88. All right, here's another one. This is a little bit trickier, and I'll show you why. Mrs. Campbell can tie 25 bows in 3 minutes. At that rate, how many bows can she tie in 1 hour? Uh-oh, the units must be the same. We got minutes and hours. That's not going to work. So we're going to make that hour 60 minutes. Well, that'll work. So we have 25 bows in 3 minutes. How many bows in 60 minutes? Cross multiply. You get 3x equals 1,500. Divide 1,500 by 3. X equals 500. 500 what? Bows. So make sure you label. See, this is not so hard, right? Here, one more. They're also going to ask you to compare numbers. And they're going to put the ratio in a sentence form. So 6 is to 15 as 9 is to what number? Set it up as a ratio. I want you to think of the division line as the is to, the equal as the word as. So 6 is to 15 as 9 is to what number? Cross multiply. We have 6x equals 135. Divide 135 by 6. X equals 22.5 or 22.5. I don't care how you write that. Okay? That's all this is. We're just using a ratio box, and instead of saying ratio and actual count, we're saying case 1 and case 2, or just comparing numbers. So I want you right now, before this gets out of your head, to do practice A, B, and C. Okay? That's all the practice there are. So do all the practice, A, B, and C. Problem set. 2, 3, 4, but not part B of 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 19, 22, 23, 24, 27, and 29. And I will see you tomorrow. Okay, do your work. All right, bye-bye.